to discuss is that whenever you submit your homework in Google Classroom, do not upload directly your assignments. Okay, in your mobile screen or in your laptop or desktop screen, whenever you have logged in and you have opened the Google Classroom, you will find the specific assignment with the date. Okay, in that particular assignment with the date, you have to click on it. Then you have to click on the arrow, upward pointing arrow at the bottom. Okay, it appears at the bottom of your panel. Click there and you will find the assignment. Okay, there when you will click, you will find a button called attach your assignment. There you have to attach your file. Not simply, you cannot, if you attach the file without going to the worksheet or without going to the assignment, that will not be considered as your assignment which you will submit. Okay, now let us solve workbook questions from page number 26. So let's start. Dear children, today we are going to solve some word problems. Alright, so let's start. Question number 15. There are 11 cows on a farm. The owner moves 19 more cows to the farm. How many cows are there on the farm? So dear children, this question is saying that there are 11 cows. Okay, and the owner moves 19 more cows to the farm. That means first there are 11 cows, then next time the owner bought more 19 cows to the farm. Alright, so the question is, how many cows are there on the farm? So let us solve. First, how many cows are there on a farm? 11 cows. Alright, so write down first 11. There are 11 cows. Alright, then how many cows the owner moves to the farm? 19, isn't it? 19. So write down over here 19. Now let's add it up. Alright, because the question says how many cows are there, that means 11 plus 19. Alright, so let's do it. 9 plus 1, 10, isn't it? So we have to write 0 over here and 1 will get carry, isn't it? According to the regroup rule, remember, if the sum is more than 9, the ones will go carry to the tens place, isn't it? So here you have to write 0 and 1 will go to the tens place. Then you have to add these 3 digits together, isn't it? 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3. So the answer is 30, isn't it? So there are 30 cows on the farm. Alright, all of you are clear? Now let's move on to the next question. Number 17. A parking lot had 215 cars parked. Another parking lot had 214 cars. How many cars were parked in both the parking lots? Alright. So dear children, what does the question is saying? That first parking lot had 215 cars. There is another parking lot which had 214 cars. You have to find out the total number of cars in both the parking lots. Alright, so first is the first parking lot had how many cars? 215 cars. So write down 215 cars. Alright, then next one, the next parking lot had how many cars? 214 cars. Now you have to add both, isn't it? So we will start from the tens place. So 5 plus 4 is 9. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 2 is 4. So there are 429 cars which were parked in both the parking lots. So the correct answer is what, dear children? 429. Alright, so 429 cars were parked in both the parking lots. Alright, Now let's move on to the next question. Let's do question number 18. Given 46 plus 45 is equal to 91. Frame a question. Now dear children, please remember that whenever this type of question comes in your exam, you just have to frame a question. That means based on the given problem, that is 46 plus 45 equal to 91. Based on this, you have to frame a question. That means you have to make your own question. Alright, let us see how. The correct answer is there are 46 students in class A and 45 students in class B. How many students are there in all? Okay, so this will be the correct answer. Alright, I hope all of you are clear. That means whenever the problem is 46 plus 45, that means this is based on addition. So you have to frame a question in such a way that the question is starting with the first number, then followed by the second, and at last you have to add a sentence in such a way that means that you are asking to add the given numbers. That is, how many students are there in all. In all means you have to add. Alright, how many students are there in all? That means you have to add the given numbers. Alright, all of you are clear? Now let's move on to the next question. Now let us do practice questions from the workbook. Question number 1. What is the sum of 12 and 14? Sum means you have to add. So let me show you here. Rough work I am doing. Okay. 12 plus 14. When you will add, you will get 4 plus 2, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. So the correct answer is what, dear children? 26. Okay. The correct answer is 26. Next one. Find the sum of 10 and 22. Sum means what, dear children? You have to add 10 plus 22, isn't it? So 10 plus 22 will be what? 2 plus 0 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So the correct answer is 32. Okay. Then question number 3. Find the digit in the tens place in the sum of 34 and 11. So dear children, what you have to do? You have to add these two numbers. Then you have to write the digit in the tens place of the correct answer. Alright. So let us see how to do it. Let me show you over here. The first number is 34, isn't it? The second number is 11. Yes. So what you will do? You have to add first. Okay. First you have to add. So 4 plus 1 is 5. 3 plus 1 is 4, isn't it? And what the next step is, what you have to do? You have to find the digit in the tens place, isn't it? So what is the digit in the tens place? The digit in the tens place is 4. Alright, so the correct answer is what? 4. The digit in the tens place is 4. Alright, are you clear? I hope all of you are clear. Now let's move on to the next question. What is the sum when 45 is added to 45? So what you have to do? You have to add. Okay. Here it is given sum. Sum means what? Add. So 45 plus 45 will be what? Let me do the rough work over here. 45 plus 45. Okay. So 5 plus 5 is 10. So you have to write 0 over here and 1 will be carried forward, isn't it? Then 4 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. So the correct answer is 90. Alright. What is the sum when 45 is added to 45? The correct answer is 90. Okay. So dear students, I hope all of you are clear with today's objective, isn't it? Now I have uploaded the classwork in the Google Classroom as well as the homework. Please do and submit it in Google Classroom only. Your assignments will not be accepted in my WhatsApp number. So please do the needful. Okay. And with this, finally I'll end today's session by saying, dear children, enjoy your online classes. Have a great day ahead. Thank you.